Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to restore missing high performance power plan in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is here at the bottom search bar when you try to type for power options and try to check if your high performance is there. Okay, let's go with that. Let's click on open. And when you proceed with the upper left side of the screen, you can see there forward arrow. And when you click on it, and when you go there, show additional plans and click this down arrow, you won't be able to see the option called high performance options here in the power plan. Now, in order to fix such, we'll be performing a very basic step, okay? And let's get started. So let's close this window. And here at the bottom search bar again, this time you need to type for CMD. Okay, and the moment you have typed it, a command prompt system would appear where here you need to go with run as administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the window as administrator. Where here you need to paste a command which I'll be including at the description box below. And this is a pretty long command actually. It is powercfg space dash duplicate scheme, okay, duplicate scheme space 8C B 5E, sorry, 7F DA dash E8BF dash 4A96 dash 9885 dash A6E23A8C 635C. So please copy it there, the description box below, and Control V to paste. Click on enter, and there you would be able to see high performance, meaning that you have successfully added it in your power plan. So let's close this window and let's check if it's being added there. So here at the bottom search bar again, type for power option. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match. Go with open to continue. And in this window, please proceed with the left side of that. You can see there a forward arrow, click on it. And there you have that. You have just successfully added the high performance of your Windows 11 here in your power plan. Okay, you can turn it on and there you have that. And you can make it, the appearance and the brightness of your screen the moment you have turned it on will be higher. Okay, so that's it. I would recommend you to go with balanced. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.